कृष्णमुपासितमस्य सृजमिव नामावलिं तनवै त्वरितं वितरेदेशां तत्साहित्यादिजामुदम् आहतजल्पितजटिलं दृष्ट्वा शब्दानुशासनस्तोमं हरिनामावलिभरितं व्याकरणं वैष्णवार्थमाचिन्मः व्याकरणे मरुनिवृत्ति जीवनलब्धा सदा संविघ्नः व्याकरणञ्च तद्भक्त्या पिबन्तु शतदावगाहन्तां श्रीहरिं मधुरं नत्वा हरिनामामृतं रसं व्याकरणञ्च तद्भक्त्या पिबन्तु ब्रजवासिनः साङ्केत्यं पारिहास्यं वा स्तोमनहेलनमय वा वैकुण्ठनामग्रहणम् अशेषागोहरं विष्णु हरे कृष्ण गोकुल कृष्ण सखा प्रभु you are joining for the first time हरे कृष्ण are able to hear me गोकुल कृष्ण सखा प्रभु ओके सो कुतपर्यन्तं शब्दपाठं कृतवन्तः सर्वे शब्दरूपाणि कुतपर्यन्तं कण्ठपाठं कृतवन्तः these shabdarupas what shabdas you are able to memorize all of you
Ramam.
Namapriya Prabhu
Yes, Prabhu, I am able to memorize this one only. Yeah.
okay Rama Shabda you are able to memorize others till where did you try
I could able to memorize 4, Prabhu, Marut, and
excellent.
yes, Prabhu. Yeah.
Rama, Hari, Karin, Marut, 4 of them.
Yes.
Excellent. Others?
4, Prabhu. Guru, I didn't still start, Prabhu.
Okay. See, Guru is same as Hari, almost same as Hari. Only difference is that instead of ya, there will be va. That's all. Otherwise,
Okay, Prabhu.
if you just go through it, it's memorized. It's very easy. Okay.
Okay.
So, Krishna Purnamanti Prabhu, can you start with Rama Shabda?
Yes, Prabhu. Arand Purushotamalinga Rama Sabdaha Ramah Ramau Ramaha Ramam Ramau Raman Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam and Rame Ramayoho Rameshu He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha.
Samichanam, Bahu Samichanam. Very nice. So, who will chant Hari Shabda?
I can do, Prabhu.
Yes.
Hari Hareyah.
Purushotamalinga Hari Shabda.
Ekarant Purushottam Linga Hari Shabdah. Hari Hareyah. Harim Harin. Harina Haribhyam Haribhi. Hariye Haribhyam Haribhyah. Hareh Haribhyam Haribhyah. Hareh Haryoh Haridam. Harau Haryoh Harishu. He Hare He Hari He Hareyah.
Samichanam. Very nice. So, who can chant Karin Shabda? Who has memorized Karin Shabda?
Can I try, Prabhu?
Yes.
Karino
Naramanta Purushotamalinga Karin Shabda.
Naramanta Purushottam Linga Karim Shabdaha. Karino Karinaha. Karinam Karinau Karinaha. Karina Karibhyam Karibhihi. Karine Karibhyam Karibhyaha. Karinaha Karibhyam Karibhyaha. Karinaha Karinoho Karinam. करिणे करिणोः करिषु
Hmm.
हे करिन् हे करिण हे करिणौ हे करिणः
Samichanam. Very nice. Now, who will chant Marut Shabda? Marut.
Pranam Prabhu, can I try?
Yes, Mataji, please.
करामांत पुरुषोत्तम लिंग मरुत् शब्दः मरुत् मरुतौ मरुतः मरुतं मरुतौ मरुतः मरुता मरुद्भ्यां मरुद्भिः मरुते मरुद्भ्यां मरुद्भ्यः मरुतः मरुद्भ्यां मरुद्भ्यः मरुतः मरुतोः मरुतां मरुति मरुतोः मरुत्सु हे मरुतौ हे मरुतः
Samichanam. Oh, Samichanam. Very nice, Mataji. So, next is Guru. Anybody has tried Guru?
Yes, Prabhu, memorized.
Yes. So, let us see if somebody else has memorized. Otherwise, you only can chant. Sarikamala Mataji, Guru Shabda Madidira.
ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಪ್ರಭು ಆದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ.
No, no. But there, anybody else can try? Okay, Shraddha Mataji, you only can chant.
Can I try, Prabhu?
Yes, please try.
ऊरामान्त पुरुषोत्तम लिंग गुरु शब्दः
Hmm.
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः गुरुं गुरु गुरुन् गुरुणा गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
Hmm.
गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Hmm.
गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
Hmm.
गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां
Hmm.
गुरौ गुर्वोः गुरुषु
Hmm.
हे गुरु
Hey Guru,
हे गुरो हे गुरवः
Hey Guru, Hey Guru, Hey Guravaha.
हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः
Samichanam. We will go to next Shabda now. You can all recite after me. Riramanta Purushottam Linga Datri Shabdaha. Data, Datarau, Dataraha.
ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಭುಜಿ. ಅದು
Riramanta Purushottam Linga Datri Shabdaha.
ತರಾಮ ಅಂತ ಋಣ ಋಣಾಮ ಅಂತ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಲಿಂಗ ಧಾತೃ ಶಬ್ದ.
Data, Datarau, Dataraha.
ದಾತ ದಾತಾರೌ ದಾತಾರಃ
Dataram, Datarau, Datrun.
ದಾತಾರಂ ದಾತಾರೌ ದಾತೃನ್
Datra, Datrubhyam, Datribhihi.
ಧಾತ್ರ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಧಾತೃಭಿಃ
Datre, Datrubhyam, Datribhyaha.
ಧಾತ್ರೆ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಃ
Datuhu, Datrubhyam, Datribhyaha.
ಧಾತೃಃ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಃ
Datuhu, Datuhu, Datribhyam, Datribhyaha.
ಧಾತುಃ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಾಂ ಧಾತೃಭ್ಯಃ
Datuhu, Datroho, Datrunam.
ಧಾತೃಃ ಧಾತ್ರೋಃ ಧಾತೃಣಾಂ
Datari, Datroho, Datrishu.
ದಾತಾರಿ ಧಾತ್ರೋಃ ಧಾತೃಷು
He Dataha, He Datarau, He Dataraha.
ಹೇ ದಾತಃ ಯೇ ದಾತಾರೌ ಯೇ ದಾತಾರಾಃ.
Anybody else can chant? Who will be able to follow? Priyanka Mataji, you can do.
Okay, Prabhu.
Riramanta Purushotamalinga Datri Shabdaha.
Rimanta. Can you tell again, Prabhu?
Riramanta
Ramanta Purushottam Linga Dhatru Shabdaha.
Data, Datarau, Dataraha.
Data Datarau Dataraha.
Dataram, Datarau, Datrun.
Dataram Datarau Datrum.
Datra, Datrubhyam, Datribhihi.
Datra Datrubhyam Datrubhihi.
Datre, Datrubhyam, Datribhyaha.
दात्रे दातृभ्यां दातृभ्यः
धातुः दातृभ्यां दातृभ्यः
धातुः दातृभ्यां दातृभ्यः
धातुः दात्रोः दातॄणां
धातुः दात्रोः दातॄणां
दातरी दात्रोः दातृषु
दातरि दात्रोः दातृषु
हे दातः हे दातारौ हे दातारः
हे दातः हे दातारो हे दातारः.
So there are some things you see they are similar. For example, Panchami and Shashti will have Ekavachanam same. And Dvivachanam of Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami is Datribhyam, Datribhyam, Datribhyam is same. Mostly in all Shabdarupas, these things will be there common. And Datrubhya of Chaturthi and Panchami will be same. For Shashti and Saptami, O will be there. Datroho, Datroho. So some things will be common. So now what happens is now after Datruhu, after six words, seventh word and all, the momentum will be fast. You will be able to learn the Shabdas a little quicker. So initially there might be some difficulties, but now things will be fast. So have you realized any improvement for learning Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda to after learning 5 Shabdas, how it is? Any changes have you realized?
Oh, yes, Prabhu. Initially, I was struggling for Rama Sabda only. But after going through, now I could able to easily progress in that now. I see the difference, Prabhu.
It will be even faster.
Okay.
Any questions on this? Okay. अस्तु समयः आगतवन्तः समय सर्वे दातुं शक्यते वा time everyone is able to practice the homework that I gave what time dinachari all those things you are able to practice okay we will recap once again panchavadanam Panchavadanam. Can somebody repeat after me? Can you all repeat after me? Panchavadanam. Sapada Shadvadanam. 6:15. Sapada Shadvadanam.
Pada Satvadanam.
Sardha Saptavadanam.
Sardha Saptavadanam.
Padona Navavadanam.
Padona Navavadanam.
Dasha Adhika Navavadanam.
Dasha Adhika Navavadanam.
Pancha Nuna Dashavadanam.
Panja Nuna Dasavadanam.
इदानीं पर्यन्तं कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा प्रष्टुं शक्यते एनी क्वेश्चन्स् टिल नाउ फॉर दिस टाइम
I had a doubt when I was trying to write. I got some doubt at the time. This 9, 10 and this 20 and all, how to write Prabhu in this?
Let us try. We will do this exercise which is below. One by one devotees can tell me the timings. So who will tell what is 9, 10?
Can I tell, Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji, please.
Dashadhika Navavadanam.
Yes, Dasha Adhika Navavadanam. Somebody else, can you try this 11, 20?
11, 20.
Yes.
विंशति अधिक नववादनम्.
बहु समीचीनं. Very nice. बहु समीचीनं. 20 अधिक नववादनम्. Yes, Prabhuji. So 10:35. ये प्रयासं कुर्वन्ति 10:35 इत्युक्ते किं कथं
पञ्च अधिक सार्ध दशवादनम्
5 अधिक सार्ध दशवादनं समीचीनं 12:40 now this will be similar somebody else can try Anybody else?
दश अधिक what was it? 12, 14. दश अधिक सार्ध
द्वादशवादनम्.
द्वादशवादनम्.
समीचीनं, बहु समीचीनम्. Okay, what is 10:45? रामप्रिय प्रभु.
पादोन दशवादनम्.
एकादशवादनम्.
पादोन एकादशवादनम्.
एकादशवादनम्.
अस्तु. समयविषये कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Any doubts in the समय? Okay. Assume no doubts. चषकः, कृपया वदन्तु. चषकः.
चषकः.
चमसः.
चमसः.
घटः.
घटः.
मन्थानः.
मन्थानः.
करण्डकः.
करण्डकः.
पात्रं.
पात्रं.
मिश्रकं.
मिश्रकं.
पेशकं.
पेशकं.
स्थालिका.
स्थालिका.
छुरिका.
छुरिका.
अग्निपेटिका.
अग्निपेटिका.
सिक्थवर्तिका.
सिक्थवर्तिका.
आधानिका.
आदानिका.
अनिलचुल्लिः.
अनिलचुल्लिः.
द्रोणी.
द्रोणी.
दर्वी.
दर्वी.
बाष्पस्थाली.
बाष्पस्थाली.
कूपी.
कूपी.
वेल्लनी.
वेल्लनी.
चषकाधानी.
चषकादानी.
बालकः. बालकाः. बालकः.
बालकाः.
Somebody else can try. शिक्षकः.
शिक्षकाः.
शिक्षकाः. ओके. प्रियंका माताजी. चषकः.
चषकाः.
हरिकमला माताजी. घटः.
घटाः.
श्रद्धा माताजी. चमसः.
चमसाः.
ओके. फलं. फलानि. फलं.
फलं फलानि.
रामप्रिय प्रभु. वनं. हरे कृष्ण. रामप्रिय प्रभु. वनं. लीला पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु, right? Your name is Prabhu, LPD?
Lakshman Prasad.
Lakshman Prasad.
Vanan, Vanani.
Vanam, Vanani.
Vanani.
Somebody else try. Phenakam. Phenakam.
फेनकानि.
Gruham.
गृहाणि.
Krishna Karnamrita Prabhu. Vastram.
वस्त्राणि.
Vastrani.
वस्त्राणि.
What does Phenakam mean, Prabhu?
Phenakam means the soap. Okay. So which generates phena or froth. So it's called soap. Balika. Balikaha. Balika. Balika.
बालिकाः.
Churika.
छुरिकाः.
Sthalika.
Sthalikaः.
Agnipetika. Agnipetika.
अग्निपेटिकाः.
Sikthavartika.
सिक्तवर्तिकाः.
Okay. लेखनी. लेखन्यः. लेखनी.
लेखनी. लेखन्यः.
अंकणी.
अंकन्यः.
अंकण्यः. सम्मार्जनी.
सम्मार्जन्यः.
सम्मार्जन्यः. Okay. Droni.
Dronyah.
Anybody else would like to try? Droni.
Dronyah.
Kupi.
Kupyah.
Kupyah. सः बालकः ते बालकाः सः बालकः
ते
ते
बालकाः
बालकाः
सः युवकः
ते युवकाः
सः एषः बालकः सः बालकः एषः बालकः सः बालकः कृपया वदन्तु एषः बालकः
एषः बालकः मीन्स् ಇವನು ಹುಡುಗ
एषः बालकः सः बालकः दूरं सः बालकः ओके एषः सः एषा सा पेटिका एषा पेटिका एषा का
एषा पेटिकः
एषा का एषा का कृष्ण कर्णामृति प्रभु एषा का
एषा का पेटिकाः
एषा पेटिका एषा का
पेटिकाः
पेटिका ओनली
so पेटिका only okay
एषा का
पेटिका
so is this near you or far from you
it is far for me
तत् किं वक्तव्यम् एषा का
पेटिका
पेटिका
sorry
एषा का सा पेटिका एषा का
सा पेटिका
सा पेटिका everyone understood this why I am telling sa
means it's nearby
far esha means near. For me it is near but for you all it should be far correct so for you all it should be sa is that understood
yes Prabhu
एतत् उपनेत्रम् एतत् किम्
उपनेत्रम्
एतत् उपनेत्रम्
एतत् किम्
तत् उपनेत्रम्
तत् उपनेत्रम् एतत् किम्
तत् उपनेत्रम् ओके
एषा दूरवाणी एषा का
सा
दूरवाणी
करेक्ट ओके एषः बालकः फर्स्ट one thing this table you all have to remember सः ते सा ताः तत् तानि एषः एते एषा एताः एतत् एतानि कः के का काः किं कानि the first line is for Purushottama Linga or Pullinga second line is for Lakshmi Linga or Strilinga third line is for Brahmalinga or Napunsakalinga okay so this table you can take a screenshot or write down somewhere and keep it and practice it daily that you will get it any doubts in this you can ask कोऽपि समस्या अस्ति वा एतद् विषये कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति वा any doubts in this
Prabhu here tat tani this is near and far when will apply
tat tani is ekvachana bahuvachana
ekvachana bahuvachana when we apply tat and when we will apply etat
etat is near tat is far
okay and kim is a question kind of
yes
okay.
किं पुस्तकः तत् पुस्तकः किं पुस्तकं तत् पुस्तकं Okay.
Hmm.
Or etat pustakam, like that.
Okay, Prabhu. This is Ekavachana, Bahuvachana. Okay, got it, Prabhu.
Hmm.
Yeah. Thank you.
एषः बालकः एते बालकाः एषः बालकः
ते बालकाः
हाँ ओके नाउ सरिकमा माताजी एषः चषकः बहुवचनं किम्
एषः चषकः
बहुवचनं एते चषकाः
एतत् चषकाः
एते चषकाः एते चषकाः एषः चषकः
एते चषकाः
कृष्णकर्णामूर्ति प्रभु एषः घटः
एषः घटकः एते घटकाः
घटाः
घटाः ओके घटाः
नेक्स्ट लक्ष्मण प्रसाद प्रभु एषः चमसः प्रियंका
सः
माता
चषकः
बहुवचनम् एषः चमसः एते चमसाः
एते चमसः
ओके हाँ प्रियंका माताजी मंथानः एषः मंथानः
एते मन्थानाः
बहु समीचीनम् श्रद्धा माताजी एषः करण्डकः
एते करण्डकाः
बहु समीचीनं रामप्रिय प्रभु एषः गजः रामप्रिय प्रभु यू आर देयर ओके Sai Kiran Prabhu, this is the first class of yours.
Yes, Prabhu. This is my first class. It will be ete gajaha.
समीचीनं बहु समीचीनं तादृशेव लक्ष्मीलिङ्ग स्त्रीलिङ्ग अपि एषा बालिका एताः बालिकाः एषा बालिका एताः बालिकाः एषा द्रोणी बहुवचनं
एताः द्रोण्याः
द्रोण्यः
द्रोण्यः
एषा अग्निपेटिका
एताः अग्निपेटिकाः
अस्तु so Sai Kiran Prabhu you can try एषा लता
एताः लताः
नेक्स्ट श्रद्धा माताजी एषा माला
एतः मालाः
नेक्स्ट who will try प्रियंका माताजी एषा सम्मार्जनी
एताः संवार्जनीः
सम्मार्जन्यः
संवार्जन्यः
सम्मार्जन्यः ओके एषा महिला कृष्ण कर्णामृति प्रभु कैन यू ट्राई एषा महिला
एषाः महिल एते
एताः
एताः महिलाः महिलाः
महिलाः रामप्रिय प्रभु एषा भगिनी
एताः भगिन्यः
भगिन्यः
भगिन्यः एताः भगिन्यः
Okay. Any questions till now? कोऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा एतस्मिन् विषये? So अस्तु तर्हि इदानीं स्थापयामः श्वः पुनर्मिलामः tomorrow at regular time we will meet we will continue from where we have stopped is that okay
Okay.
Rama Prame Prabhu, Sai Kiran here.
yes Prabhuji.
Prabhu, I'm joining today onwards. Please add me to the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And secondly, this PPT you are showing, this is the book from whose book? Which book we have to follow this one?
So, Prabhu, there are two things. One is for Sambhashanam, I'm presenting this couple of PDFs which I have put in the group. You just message me something on WhatsApp. I will add it to the group. At the same time, I'll forward you these books. Okay.
Okay.
And apart from that, there is one Sura Saraswati Sabha which will have exams once in 6 months. So you write an email to them, they will send you the book and you can write exams. It will be on February 3rd. So that also you can enroll and you can prepare for that exam also. So that way it will help you understand this.
Okay, Prabhuji, understood.
Yeah, so how about devotees? Have you all received the book and are you all preparing for the exam?
I have not yet received the book, Prabhu. I gave details and phone number also. They send mail again to ask about phone number and all. I send. But still I'm waiting, Prabhu.
Okay. How about other devotees? Others have you tried? Once you get that, those who need any help regarding alphabets and all, we can discuss that also. Mostly it will be there in that book. It will be there in that book, so we can discuss that after that. Oh. How about others? Have you tried to send an email to them? Hare Krishna.
I can't take that exam in February 3rd, so I'm not sent.
Mataji, it's good to have the book. Even if you don't take an exam, it's okay. You can continue studying. So no problem.
Okay, Prabhu.
They will send 2 books over. If you send an email to them, they will send you 2 books of first and second level. You can study yourself also.
Okay, Prabhu.
Oh. Okay. So others do let me know if you have any difficulties in that regard. Okay.
Prabhuji, I have one question. You were while explaining, you were telling Purusha Linga, Lakshmi Linga, and Brahma Linga. Are those covered up? I mean, there in the documents you are sharing, Prabhuji?
No, you can hear the classes from beginning.
Okay.
Are in the playlist. It will be clear for you.
Okay, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Okay, then. So we'll stop now. Punarmilamah Shvaha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Dhanyavad. Hare Krishna.